When it comes to impressive new features, the Ridgid RP 251 Compact Press Toolkit is ready to meet the press. Packed with improvements like 360 head swivel, bright LEDs, and a brushless motor capable of over 60,000 press cycles, the all-new Ridgid RP 251 Compact Press Tool is sure to turn heads. The RP 251 stands on the shoulders of giants. And by giants, we mean its immediate predecessor, the RP 241. Ridgid's newest iteration features the same cutting-edge cutting capabilities on copper, steel, and PEX, and it can still pull off an impressive 140 presses per charge. And material makes no material difference to the RP 251. It can press up to 1¼ inch on copper and stainless steel, 1½ inches on PEX tubing, and up to an inch on carbon steel. The RP 251 features an endless 360-degree swivel head for reaching tight spaces. And as if that wasn't enough of a head turner, the brushless motor requires no scheduled maintenance and can run over 60,000 press cycles, an 87% improvement over its predecessor. The RP 251's ergonomic inline design and forward-positioned trigger with slim grip handle makes even one-handed operation smooth and easy. The Ridgid RP 251 comes with a lifetime warranty and a kit including Pro Press jaws in 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and 1¼ inch, two 12-volt rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a carrying case. Order yours today with fast and free nationwide shipping from Supplyhouse.com. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.